Good morning, everyone. So we are looking at AMD. Before we proceed, please read this disclaimer. Thank you. So looking at this, you can see I drew my correction here where it completed, which I always use my RSI to know when I completed. I like to touch on this 50 RSI and then go down, which is the C leg. So this ABC correction, which have been completed, and then we now broke above this 50 RSI, and now we are on the uptrend. Firstly, why did I choose to buy this? Fundamentally, I have already done my research, and I know, okay, it's something I can hold for a long time. Then looking at the technical, on the monthly, you can see we are on the uptrend. We broke this 50 RSI and we're maintaining above the 50 RSI. As well, on this MA, this moving average is for 7 month moving average is also above. So kind of consolidating here and about resuming. Then on the weekly, also we were above this 7 week moving average. We broke below it to complete this correction on the daily, and then we now broke above it here as well. You see where I bought around 168. That is my price. So on the daily, we have completed the downtrend, the correction, and then turning up. So I bought at 168. So this is just a short clip for AMD and why I bought it. So we'll see how it plays out. Now let's assume it doesn't play out well. Let's assume it starts going down. It turns against me. Am I going to sell it and jump out? No, I'm not. If I am buying stocks that are meme stocks, okay, I can jump out. But if I'm buying stocks that are really strong with good fundamentals, that is what I'm saying. You have to know what you're buying. So if I'm buying stock that has good fundamentals, I am not going to jump out. What I'm going to do is I will average down if it goes against me. So if it goes against me, I'm not going to just jump back, but I'm going to wait for it to come down towards this area of RSI, this area. So if this draws back to this area, I'm going to buy, and that should be around let's say 156 thereabouts. Then I'm going to get back again, like not just getting back again, I'm going to average down. That means I'm going to buy more to average down my price. Looking at the fundamentals, I can see the earning per share is growing quarterly. You can see it's growing 0.29 in the fourth quarter of 2024, first quarter of 2025 0.44, and then second quarter of 2025 0.54. The revenue is also growing and it's about to skyrocket. You can see the revenue. This is the estimate. This orange line is the estimate, whereas the blue one is the actual. So it was estimated 7.52 here, and they beat the estimate. 7.1, they beat the estimate. 7.4, they beat the estimate at 7.68. Now they're estimating at 8.7. So possibly they will also beat the estimate. So the revenue is actually growing, and then the earning per share is also growing. You can see here they even estimated them negative 0.04, but they actually came out at 0.54. So their net income is also growing. You can see it's also growing on their net income, and their asset to debt is actually very low. It's just 15. It's about 20.26%. So they have very good assets to liability. Then the CFO, that is the cash flow statement, is also very good. They have enormous cash for even buyback and other things. So there is no reason for me to say I will jump out. No, I'm not going to jump out. This is a stock I will hold for, let's say, the next 6 months to 1 year before I would think of selling. So that will be all for today. I've just analyzed to you the things I look out for fundamentally and how I do my technical. You see here, we actually consolidated here. You see how we consider on this RSI here before breaking above. So I am sticking to it, and I hope it plays out well. So this is how I analyze, just kind of a rough analysis, just to show you what I looked out for before buying it, and I'm hoping that it plays out well. Thank you. That will be all for now.